So today I'm taking a look at the Screen Daddy by Scrub Daddy. So we've had these around for a while and I couldn't find the packaging and I just came across it. So I want to show you how these work because these are fantastic. This is such a great idea. So you can put this on the back of your phone and it'll peel off on and off over and over again. And you can clean your screen or your glasses or whatever with it. So you just peel this off. This is on. Okay. So you're going to remove the paper. And like so, right? It's sticky. And you just stick it on the back of your phone like so. Like this. So you stick it here. And then when your screen is dirty like this, you take it off. And you just wipe your screen down. Or your glasses or whatever it is. Right? And then it'll just stick back on the back of your phone again, and it'll stick there over and over and over again. So it's reusable time and time again. It comes in a pack of 3. As you see, I'm using the second one now. My mom has one on her phone. But yeah, and when it gets dirty, the nice thing is it's washable. So you can rinse it off and stick it back on and keep using it. So yeah, you can use it for quite a long time. Again, you can also use it for your glasses if you are a glasses wearer, which I normally am. The glare from the lights. So I don't wear them when I shoot these videos, but yeah. So again, peels on and off. It's microfiber, right? So it's nice and soft. I don't know if you can tell the texture. It's a microfiber texture. You use on your camera lenses. Keep those clean. Front of your phone, nice and clean. Right? And then just pop it on the back. And when it gets grubby, wash it and then stick it back on again. So I hope that this has helped.